Did you know that Shopify has powered over 4.5 million online stores and generated a jaw-dropping $500 billion in sales as of 2023? Now imagine grabbing just a tiny slice of that pie by doing what you already love, sharing awesome finds online. Whether you're a blogger, social media influencer, or content creator, Shopify's affiliate program could be your golden ticket to earning big. Imagine this. You're sipping your morning coffee, and as you check your bank account, a notification pops up. New affiliate sale earned. Sounds like a dream, right?
Well, with Shopify, that dream can become your daily reality.
Today, we're diving into how you can crush affiliate marketing with Shopify using some top secret tips and tricks. Spoiler alert, these hacks might just make you the next affiliate king or queen. Why Shopify is perfect for affiliate marketing. First off, let's talk about why Shopify is a goldmine for affiliate marketers. Shopify isn't just for sellers, it's also an affiliate marketer's paradise. With millions of merchants and endless products, you can promote anything from handmade jewelry to high-tech gadgets. Plus, their affiliate program rewards you every time someone signs up for Shopify through your referral link. Cha-ching! Smart tips and tricks for Shopify affiliate success. Niche it down. Don't try to promote everything. Focus on a specific niche, like sustainable fashion or pet gadgets. A niche helps you build authority and trust faster. Create killer content. Blogs, videos, or social media posts. Content is your secret weapon. Use catchy headlines like "Top 10 Gadgets You Didn't Know You Needed" to grab attention. SEO is your BFF. Sprinkle your content with relevant keywords to rank higher on search engines. For example, best Shopify deals for startups can drive organic traffic. Leverage social proof. Use testimonials or reviews from happy Shopify users. People trust people, not just marketing pitches. Use tools wisely. Invest in tools like Canva for stunning visuals and Bitly for tracking clicks on your affiliate links. Pro hacks to level up your game. Here's where the magic happens. Want to double your conversions? Try offering free resources like Shopify setup guides or exclusive discounts to anyone who signs up using your affiliate link. And don't forget email marketing. It's still one of the best ways to keep your audience engaged and clicking. Building trust, the key to affiliate success. Remember, affiliate marketing isn't just about the sale, it's about trust. Be transparent with your audience. Let them know you're using affiliate links and why you genuinely believe in the product. Honesty doesn't just make you relatable, it makes you profitable. So, are you ready to start earning with Shopify affiliate marketing? Let me know in the comments what niche you'd love to focus on. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel for more tips, tricks, and secret strategies to make money online. Remember, every click on your affiliate link is a step closer to financial freedom. Why wait? Start your Shopify affiliate journey today. You've got this.